in this box. Add 1 packet of the bath jellies dry ingredients to a bowl. For each packet, add 4 tablespoons hot water. Mix gently until all the powder is dissolved and clumps are gone. For each packet, add 2.5 tablespoons body wash. Mix slowly. Mixing too fast will create unwanted bubbles. Set aside and mix another packet. Now our 3 basic colors are ready. When you are done making the 3 colors, you can make your own colors. Pink plus blue equal purple. Yellow plus blue equals green. Pink plus yellow equals orange. Label your jars with the stickers. Fill the batch jellies, mix into the molds. Right now it is hard because it was in the freezer. You can also make a multicolored jelly. Rip or cut firm bath jellies. Place in refrigerator uncovered for 3 to 5 hours until the mix is firmly jiggly. Your bath jellies are ready to use. They make lots of bubbles.